He works in D.C. at the Watergate, is one of his condos. Irish Mafia thugs, and you're gonna get it good.
I just bought a homeless man a chicken.
A rotisserie chicken, a boyfriend at the Watergate, an Irish Mafia inside a supermarket, 2 women, 2 states, 1 invisible line, and both walked straight across it. Watch closely. You are about to see exactly where that line lies.
Do you have any grounds for that that's not legal?
So they are banning you from the store, so you are going to leave.
Well, can you explain a legal reason why?
So
No, you didn't. I don't want a legal reason, please.
I don't have to explain anything to you, so put
Yes,
your
you
stuff
do.
back
You're illegal. Get away
this
from
way.
me. Get away from me. I'm calling the police on you.
I am the police.
No, you're not. You're not.
So you're going to stop right here. What is your name?
I don't give strangers my name.
Stop.
Is there another police? Can I
What
see?
is your name?
Can I please talk to another police? Wait a minute. What have I done legally wrong?
Okay. Let me explain to you.
Have I stolen? Have I hit anybody? Have I done anything wrong? What?
Okay, you're going to let me talk and explain?
I'm waiting.
All right, don't interrupt me again.
Go.
You don't give me any type of orders, okay? So don't interrupt me when I'm talking.
Go right ahead. Yep.
What is your name?
I'm asking you, what is the legal reason?
So they want you out of the store.
Okay, but what is the legal criteria?
What? Okay, let me ask you this. What have you been doing in here today? Reason that they
Shopping.
wanted. So the call that we got was you were in here causing a disturbance,
No.
cursing people out.
I didn't curse anybody.
And stuff like
I never said a curse word. Can you put that on the
That's-
video so I can see it?
I don't know. You're
I
gonna,
need
you're gonna
concrete
you're gonna
evidence.
have to ask
I
them.
need concrete evidence, and I'd like to talk to my lawyer, please.
What is your name, ma'am?
That's not, I haven't done anything wrong, and you don't need to give anybody your name, because that's what's called the Privacy Act. The Privacy Act under the federal law.
It's called
It's
obstruction.
Privacy Act.
It's
The
called
privacy
obstruction.
is if you have not committed a crime, you don't need to give any officer. You are the same level as me if I haven't committed a crime. You cannot use brute force on somebody who has not committed a crime. I have not cursed. Can I see it on video? Can I please see some concrete evidence? Excuse me, but what crime have I committed to warrant you guys coming in here like a army to shoot me or something? I'd like to know in legal language what crime I have committed.
Disorderly conduct.
2 arrests, 2 jurisdictions, 1 common legal thread. The line between a citizen's right to speak and a citizen's duty to comply. A private business retains a common law right known as shopkeeper's privilege. Under Georgia Code Section 16721, once a patron is asked to leave and refuses, criminal trespass attaches.
What is disorderly conduct? Please define it, and I'd like to see it on video, the disorderly conduct, so you have proof. It's their word over mine. They are citizens, I am a citizen, so we are equal. So I need a video camera to see what I have done. I want concrete evidence on a video camera to see what I've done. You're choosing their word over my word, so I need it on a video
Can
camera
you
to
go
look at
interview
it.
the complainant?
Can I see it on video so I
So
can see
what
it
we got is
myself?
a supervisor coming here. You can speak to the supervisor when they get
So who's
here.
the supervisor?
He's on his way here now.
Is he a police?
Yes, he is.
Okay, well, all I'm asking is in concrete language, tell me the legal thing I have done wrong.
Okay, let me explain to you, ma'am. I've just explained it to you just minutes before. So they are asking you to leave. They say you are causing a disturbance
Okay, then let
in
me
the
leave.
store.
I'm going to get my lawyer. What's your name, please?
My name is Officer Carter,
Okay, Carter, and what is your name? Can I have your
Zimmerman.
cards? Zinnerman, I'll
but
remember
they
that
want
card.
you banned from the store.
Right, and I'm going to talk to my lawyer and get you fired.
So
Okay, that's
Don't touch me. I didn't
So,
break any law. I
you're
have a
saying-
right to defend myself under the Constitution, freedom of speech,
Okay.
Privacy Act. If I have not broken the law, you are equal to me.
We got-
The only time a police can apprehend
We
you
got a
if you've broken
supervisor
a law.
talking to you. Come in
And
and
if you
talk.
don't have a video,
We can go out. Let's go outside.
if you don't have
If
a
you wanna
video
go
to prove
outside.
to me that I broke a law, you are breaking the law because you are obstructing the Constitution of the United States of America.
That's what you're doing.
And
You're
many police
obstructing
have
by not
lost
giving
their
your name.
badges that way.
Okay.
Mr. Carter, many have
Okay.
lost their badge. This is just hearsay. Hearsay is not legal. It's hearsay. Without the camera, I need to see the camera. And I want to prove to you I have not used any profanity. I'm very cautious about people with masks because they have been exposed to COVID, and I'm telling them to stay away from me 6 feet, socially distance themselves from me over there. I said socially distance themselves because they've been exposed to the COVID. I don't want them around me. That's all I said. Go look at the camera. The people with the masks have a higher likelihood that they've been exposed to people. That's why they're paranoia with the mask. I don't want to be around those people. And when they come over to me like this close. I said, stay 6 feet away, please. Stay away from me. Don't come over to me when I use that checkout line. I told that woman, I said, when you use that checkout line, keep your distance from me. I don't want you near me. That's why they're calling the police. And when I went over to the pharmacy, I said, this country's too liberal, because I know a lot of people that wear the mask have, that's why they wear the mask. In order, because they're doctors, it's a law. The doctors tell them that the people that have lived in DC, they have to wear masks because they have weaker immune systems. I don't want people handling my stuff over at the pharmacy if they have a weaker immune system.
The subject invoked what she called the Privacy Act. No such defense exists here. The Federal Privacy Act of 1974 governs federal agencies and their records. It is not a shield against routine police identification. The Supreme Court in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada decided in 2004 held that compelled disclosure of one's name during a lawful investigative stop does not violate the Fifth Amendment.
Arbitrarily believing a black person over a white person. That's what this is about. I told a black person to socially distance themselves from me, and now because I'm white, I'm being kicked out of the store because I'm white. I'm being kicked out of the store because I'm white. It's a black person's word over a white person's word. Because that's illegal.
What's your name?
I don't give
Now you're being disorderly in front of our president.
Because you're breaking the Constitution.
We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, let me go. That's what you can figure out. You just told me I'm trespassing, so leave me alone. 5 police for a person shopping? Where's our tax money going? And secondly, the guy I live with worked 25 years on the Crime Commission, and then my argument is give me the camera so I can look at the reason they're banning me, because that's concrete evidence. The legal argument.
You're causing a disturbance.
All right, now I am, because you've got 5 police bullying you.
You got customers that have been complaining about you.
Okay, can I have the names of the customers so I can tell my attorney? Okay, that could be the mafia, because they don't like white people, for all I know.
Hello.
That could be the mafia. I don't know.
Ma'am, focus on me. I'm Sergeant Mustafa. I'm here.
Wait, can I have your name, please, in writing?
Sure.
Your name,
Yeah,
Sergeant.
I'll give you that later.
Okay.
But you're gonna listen to me right now. Okay.
That's
Here's
not
the deal.
polite language.
That's fine. You're not being polite to these officers. So here's the deal. Under Georgia law, when they ask for your name, you're supposed to provide it, or you could be arrested.
No, my boyfriend works for the CIA
I don't care
in DC.
who your boyfriend
He tells
works
you
for.
go to jail. I want to go to jail. Bring me to jail right now. I want to talk to a magistrate.
Oh, that's it. Do
I
not
want to talk
resist
to a
arrest.
magistrate.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want to talk to a magistrate. You do not have to freaking give your name to somebody when you have not committed a crime. That is called the Privacy Act of the United States of America, and you are breaking the Constitution. You don't give your name when you don't break a law. For all I know, you're going to rob my house. I don't know who you are.
Thank you, ma'am.
I do not know who these men are. These are mafia. These are thugs. I have not broken any law. I have not done anything to anybody. And these guys are arresting me because I'm white. And they are the mafia. Can you show me on your computer or in writing that you have to give a person a name if you haven't broken a law?
You did break a law.
I did not break a law.
You were being disorderly inside that
That's
store.
not a law.
Disorderly conduct.
That's the stores of police, you're telling me. The manager of the stores of police over mine.
Ma'am, here's the deal.
Have you looked at a video?
Ma'am, he wants to ban you from the store. That's his prerogative. That's his
Right.
store. If he wants to ban you, that's his prerogative.
Yes.
Okay? So, here's the deal. You can cooperate with us, but right now, we asked you for your name multiple times. The reason is we have to have that on the sheet of paper, because how we're going to identify.
All right. P-R-O-U-T-Y. It's going to rain. But I'm telling you, the guy I live with is going to be furious. He works secretly for the FBI.
I understand.
I am not joking. My boyfriend's. He works in D.C. at the Watergate. Is one of his condos. He told me to come to Savannah to get away from the area because that's where his assignment is. And he is my boyfriend.
So here's what's going to happen. They're going to all it is they're going to ban you from the store. It's really nothing.
But there is no legal basis. Why
Yes,
are you
there is.
protecting them and not my rights?
Ma'am, he has the right to kick you out of the store and ban you under a city
But
ordinance.
5 cops, and I was
doesn't matter.
willing to leave, but he wouldn't let me leave. I don't give my name. I'm sticking with my boyfriend. I believe in my boyfriend. He said you never give your name to a cop if you have not broken the law under the Privacy Act of the United States, and he knows every ordinance and every law of this
Well, they
state.
don't want you on the property anymore. Now once you're off this area, you're off their property.
You can't. I'll even talk to my ex-husband, and you know what he'll say?
That's fine.
He'll say a grocery store cannot kick you out unless you do something illegal because you need food. You have to be able to buy food.
Yeah, they can, though.
No, they can't.
Okay.
My Ex-husband knows all the laws.
Yeah, that's
Everyone knows the laws but the police.
Just relax, man.
I'm telling you, I'm furious because you're breaking my. Don't touch me,
We're not.
please.
Stop.
I
Ma'am,
didn't break any law.
Ma'am, you
It's
can't be
private.
walking around, or else we'll
It's
put you in the
called
back of the car.
privacy. My boyfriend
right
will
now,
you if you touch me. I am telling you the truth. He works for the CIA. He's higher than you. He will you, Anderson. I'm serious. Do not touch me.
Ma'am, I don't want to hear threats made to officers
I'm
in front of
talking.
you.
It's figurative.
Okay?
It's
Are you
figurative.
diagnosed with anything I need to
No,
know?
I'm not. But it's
Okay.
figurative. What I mean
All right.
is he will have him fired for touching me.
Okay.
And I have to leave. Why does he need cops? Can you let me? Wait a minute. I want my pocketbook. You guys are a bunch of mafia, Irish mafia thugs, and you're gonna get it good.
Take a seat.
Irish mafia thugs.
Georgia enforces this through Code Section 161024, obstruction of a law enforcement officer, and Section 161025, providing false information to police. On disorderly conduct, Code Section 161139 requires violent or tumultuous behavior or fighting words tending to provoke an immediate breach of the peace. The First Amendment, articulated in City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, protects a remarkable breadth of speech, including speech that is rude, false, or deeply offensive. But the First Amendment does not shield trespass, nor refusal to identify during a lawful investigation.
No.
Sorry.
You need to get in your car.
No, I do not. What is
Yeah,
he
you
doing?
do.
I'm not here for you.
You're
Sir,
in the military. You're here for me.
sir,
Sam,
Put my
no.
shit-
were you?
No.
You need to get out of my space.
I do
Come here.
not, man.
Walk
You're
this way.
a fucking
Take
black
me
woman.
out.
Listen to me.
No, you're a black woman.
Listen to me.
Don't.
Damn.
Please don't do that.
Stop.
God damn it.
Stop it.
You better call.
Stop.
Him.
Stop.
Stop. Ma'am, take me.
Stop. Stop.
Ma'am, take me. Don't take her.
Honey, stop.
Ma'am,
You
take
better
me.
back up. You
Back up.
Stop.
Back up.
You better call Kellenberger.
Can you please
You
stop?
better call.
Stop. Kim. Stop resisting. Do you understand?
You better call Kellenberger.
That's fine.
You better
Honey,
call
stop.
Kellenberger. You
Kim,
call-
stop.
You better
Listen
call
to me.
Kellen-
Listen to me. If you don't stop, I am going to tase you. Stop.
She's about to tase you.
Stop.
Back up.
Now to Florida. Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, requires no strike, no weapon, no threat. Interposing oneself between an officer and an arrestee and refusing repeated lawful commands to step back satisfies every statutory element. The penalty is severe, up to 1 year in jail, a fine of up to $1,000, and up to 12 months of probation.
Kim, stop, honey.
You better
Listen
call.
to me, honey. Stop.
You
Can you
better-
please stop? Back up.
You
Can
better
please
call
stop, honey?
Kellenberger
Honey,
right now.
listen to me.
No, Kellenberger, you call.
I will call him.
Ma'am.
You
call
need
him
to
right
stop
now.
resisting.
You fucking
And if he is your
call him.
friend, you call him.
Kim,
Turn around.
You're being.
Turn around.
Stop, Kim. Do you love me? Turn around. God damn it. Stop.
Don't need any more. Thanks for your help. Back up.
You got it.
Kim.
I'm sorry, bro.
Please, man. She's trying to help a homeless person. And
All I did was walk up.
I understand, ma'am. I understand.
I don't want to hear any of that shit. Get up. Up. Sit. Sit. Sit.
No.
Sit.
In the car.
I just bought a homeless man a chicken. Man,
7222, I have a female detained.
I just bought a homeless man a chicken.
A critical legal distinction must be drawn here. Whether officers had grounds to arrest the underlying subject is one legal question. Whether they had grounds to arrest a bystander who obstructed that arrest is an entirely separate question. The second depends only on the bystander's own conduct. Good motive is not a defense. Kindness is not a defense. Belief in the injustice of the underlying arrest is not a defense.
Get in there.
Can you call Kellenberger, please?
Yeah.
Not right now. I have his card and my phone. Call Ramsey, man.
So I walk up, and he's standing at the car talking. I guess she bought him food. And he says to her, I haven't said anything yet. She's here to arrest you.
What was it?
They were standing at her car. He had a Publix chicken. And when I pulled up, she said to him, I had barely gotten out of my car. She's here to arrest you. She jumps up. No, you're not going to arrest him.
Okay.
Man, move. But whatever issue I have with him doesn't have anything to do with her.
I understand.
Absolutely nothing to do with her. And if I say get away, and she refused to listen to me.
I know,
Because
I
listen, no, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's just me, I let her be, even though she was disrespectful, and I grabbed him and I tried to bring him to my car, and she intervened. She had no business intervening. Do you get that?
100%.
Good for you. Let me get her ID and let me get your ID.
Can I explain?
You can explain whatever you want, but
I know
there's nothing good about her behavior.
No, 100%. I think it's because we were trying to buy rotisserie chicken for this guy.
But you guys don't know anything about him.
No, 100%.
You don't know who he is, what he's done.
No, ma'am, we don't.
And you guys did a good deed.
She does. So
that's
she
fine.
does that all the time.
She did a good deed. I am not saying that she did not. But if I give you a lawful command to back up, you back up.
No, I can't. Ma'am, I get it 100%.
So guess what?
100%.
If she would have backed up, she won't be in that car right now.
I know that. You know, he was a troubled guy here or whatever. So she, she was neighbors with Ramsey and Marathon. So long story short, that doesn't matter. Long story short,
it really doesn't.
I know. Long story short, she thought when y'all were running him off, she got aggressive.
That ain't. Listen to me. I don't know what you're saying. Let me tell you, and I don't have to do this. How this happened? I pulled up. Listen, I pulled up. He pointed at my car. I was getting out of the car. I heard him say to her, "They're here to arrest me." I hadn't said a word yet. I hadn't said anything. He said to her, "They're here to arrest me." I walk up, right?
Yeah, no, I get it.
She jumps in the way. You're not going to arrest him. I ask her to move. She says,
Me and Ramsey are good human beings, and I did not do anything to violate the law tonight. So what you have to justify is what grounds you had to arrest me tonight. And you don't have any grounds to arrest me. None. Zero. Do you understand that? You have zero grounds to arrest me. And furthermore, as a human being, the fact that I was trying to help a homeless person, literally, that's what I was doing when you arrested me. You should question yourself.
"Get out."
No, I'm getting out.
Deputy Ferreira, you want me to spell it for you? F-E-R-E-I-R-A. Anything else?
Don't look at me like you're all bad.
Walk to the door.
Hey,
don't talk to him.
I was trying to feed a homeless person. Is what was going on.
They're waiting for you.
I'm waiting for...
Walk to the door.
I am waiting for somebody to call either
Do you need me to help you get to the door?
No.
So walk.
No, sir. Can you please call Ramsey? He's my friend. Please call Sheriff Rick Ramsey. No, he is my friend. No, he is my friend. Please.
All right, come talk to me.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. On use of force, Graham versus Connor, 1989, is the governing standard. Officer force is judged under an objective reasonableness standard from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene based on the totality of circumstances then known. A threatened taser against an actively non-compliant subject without actual discharge falls well within that standard. Grading. The Georgia officers receive a B-. Restrained force and clear legal warning tempered by extended engagement before arrest. The Georgia subject receives a D for converting a simple trespass into multiple charges through sheer escalation. Deputy Ferreira earns a B for methodical command escalation and strong post-arrest communication. The Florida bystander receives a C-, saved from lower only by her ultimate nonviolent submission. 5 lessons from this footage. First, comply first, litigate later. The courtroom is the forum for contesting an arrest. Second, identification during a lawful stop is required, and refusal carries its own criminal exposure. Third, private property rights override a customer's preference to remain on the premises. Fourth, good intentions do not create legal immunity from obstruction statutes. Fifth, offensive speech is often protected, physical conduct is not. A step forward, a physical barrier, a refusal to move, these are acts, not words. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.